Flaky puff pastry rolled with a smear of mustard mayo, thinly sliced ham, 2 cheeses, oven baked. This video hopefully gets your party snack wheels turning. It's our ham and cheese pinwheel appetizers. 2 important things I better tell you right off the top about these ham and cheese pinwheels. Number 1, they're easy to make and really tasty. And number 2, reality check, you better keep puff pastry in your freezer because make them once, you'll be making them again and again. They're fantastic. Okay, let's start with some prep steps. Frozen puff pastry, defrost in the fridge overnight or on the counter about 2 hours before you intend to make the recipe. Next, we need an herby Dijon mayo. We're chopping up fresh herbs today. I'm using chives, tarragon, parsley. You'll need about 1/4 cup for the recipe, finely chopped. Place the herbs in a small bowl, then add 2 tablespoons of mustard. Today I'm using a grain mustard, but Dijon mustard works well. Let's also hit the bowl with 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. We're gonna stir to combine, and just like that, that herbed mustard mayo is ready to be set to the side. We're gonna need egg wash, so 1 egg gets cracked into a small bowl. We add 1 tablespoon of water, whisk, whisk, whisk to combine. Set the egg wash to the side along with some Parmesan and black pepper. Now comes 3 big flavored ingredients we were going for. You're gonna need 1/2 cup of grated Gruyere, 1/2 cup of grated sharp cheddar cheese, and then the star of this party snack, ham. Today I'm using prosciutto cotto, which is a cooked Italian ham. It's moist and tender. It's a little briny, but it has a slightly sweet flavor. You can also make this recipe using a thinly sliced grandma ham or honey ham. They're both available at the deli counter at your local supermarket. Now let's continue and make those pinwheels. Thawed pastry goes onto a lightly floured board, roll it out, then we're gonna spoon the mustard mix across the surface, spread it out evenly, leave a 1/2 inch border all around. Then we're gonna add a sprinkle of the cheddar cheese. Next comes the ham. I love laying the strips of prosciutto cotto, so easy to work with. Then we're gonna follow that with a sprinkling of grated Gruyere. And now, starting at the long end of the pastry closest to you, roll the dough up tightly. When you get to the top, we're gonna brush the edge with egg wash and then seal the roll. Wrap it up, refrigerate for 30 minutes. Once that roll has chilled for 30 minutes, final steps, bring the roll out of the fridge. We're gonna slice it up and bake. Oven goes to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Have 2 baking sheets lined with parchment paper ready, plus a serrated edged knife ready to go. Bring the roll from the fridge. We can trim off the very ends to keep things neat and tidy. Then we're cutting rounds about 1/2 inch thick. You'll get 16 pinwheels from 1 roll. Transfer them to a baking sheet. I bake off 8 pinwheels at a time. Final steps, brush the top of each pinwheel with egg wash, then add a sprinkle of Parmesan. Finish with freshly cracked black pepper. Into the oven they go. We're gonna bake for 18 to 20 minutes. The pinwheels will puff up. They're gonna get a gorgeous golden color. Fair warning, there's gonna be bubbling and melted cheese. And when they come out of the oven, you're gonna marvel at how beautiful they are, and then offset spatula or lifter to transfer them to a wire rack. Let them cool for 5 minutes before you serve. Trust me, friends, these ham and cheese pinwheels are just the thing for your next party. Good news, full recipe is up at weekend@thecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when party snacks are this perfect, take a picture of them. Post them on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@thecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. It's our mighty tasty ham and cheese pinwheel appetizers. Flaky pastry, ham and melted cheese, plus mayonnaise herb flavoring. What's not to love? Enjoy. Delicious. Oh, party on. Perfect.